Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to log out of the PayPal app. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the PayPal application. Or as you can see, as I already did, you can go to the web and type paypal.com. Then you need to go and log into your profile or register if you already do not have a profile. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. As you can see here, we have the home, send, wallet, activity, and help. We have send and request, and a lot of different options also here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and log out of PayPal app. It is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So what you need to do is go to the top right corner and click on the wheel here. Here you'll have your account. As you can see, you just need to go and scroll down, and here guys, you have the options to close your account, or you can of course go and delete your account, of course. And in the top right corner, as you can see, you have the logout button where you just need to click on logout. On the app, alternatively, you can see when you go to PayPal, you have the logout option here in the left side of the screen, as you can see on this picture here. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.